Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a simple chicken curry recipe that's also called as chicken chingara recipe. With minimal ingredients and easy steps to follow, it comes out great every time. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make this delicious chicken chingara recipe. To make this chicken curry, I'm using boneless chicken thighs. Add some salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, coarsely ground ginger, garlic and coriander. You can also use store-bought ginger garlic paste. Give everything a really good mix. We are going to let this chicken marinate for half an hour or so. For that curry consistency, I'm going to use cashews, and for that I have taken 1/4 cup of cashews. Let's soak them in water for half an hour to 1 hour. After about 1 hour, I'm going to make a simple puree. So just add water along with it, and here our cashew puree is ready. Heat up a kadhai and we are going to add very less oil, about 2 tablespoons. Add 2 to 3 bay leaves, some hing, and 2 medium onions finely chopped. Fry the onions on a medium to medium high flame. Add some salt to speed up the process. This will take about 15 to 20 minutes, and gradually the onions will turn soft and translucent like this, and then we want it to have nice golden brown color like this. Let's drop our marinated chicken. Give everything a really good mix. The flame is on the medium. We are going to just simply fry this chicken for a minute or two without any lid. Now let's cover and let it cook on a medium-low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Open after about 15 minutes and you'll notice that the chicken has become a little soft and also has released some water. Now let's drop some tomato ketchup, about 2 tablespoons, and our cashew puree. If you don't have tomato ketchup or tomato puree, you can always add 1 small tomato. I have also added 1.5 cups of water to get that curry consistency. Simply mix everything really well. You can adjust the seasoning at this point if needed. Cover and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. The chicken is cooked well now. We'll add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, handful of kasuri methi. Just crush it like this and drop it. Mix everything really well. Let's add our secret ingredient, that's little bit of sugar, literally 1/4 teaspoon. Mix everything really well, and now we are going to switch off the flame. To get that chingara flavor or the smoked flavor, I'm going to place a small bowl in center like this. Place a really hot charcoal and then add ghee on top. You'll notice nice smoke coming out. Quickly cover it. We want to capture all the flavors in. Open it after about 15 minutes or so, and trust me, the smell and the flavor that this chicken curry will get because of the charcoal, it's going to be mind-blowing. You definitely want to try this. Mix it one final time, and now we are ready to serve it. Look at that. The consistency, the texture looks great of this chicken chingara. Serve it with some hot rotis, chapatis, or even some jeera rice. It tastes simply delicious. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.